Hey, welcome back. Becky Thames here, and today we're going to talk about the fourth P in the 4P process, which is the right promotion. So guys, I am so excited. We have already gone through the entire process of how to find your product, the right place to find your product, how to do the right price and have an optimized Amazon listing. And now we're here for our fourth P, which is the right promotion. And this is a very important P because we want you to sell the cha-chings out of your product, right? And the way to do that is to run what we call Amazon PPC, or Amazon Pay Per Click. And basically, if you've ever been shopping on Amazon and you've seen the little thing that says sponsored ads, that means that an Amazon seller is running an Amazon PPC or Pay Per Click. Now, there are ways that you can run this PPC in automatic, which you basically say, hey Amazon, I'm selling this blue pencil. You show this blue pencil everywhere that you think that the keyword that someone types into Amazon that they want to find this blue pencil. Show my blue pencil as a sponsored ad. And what happens is when someone does that, let's say that a customer types in blue writing utensil and your blue pencil pops up and they're like, oh yeah, I'd like a blue pencil, and then they click on it, but the keyword was writing utensil and not pencil. So it's definitely a way to think about other keywords that maybe your competitors have not thought of so that you can get on the first page of Amazon. And believe me guys, you're only one product away. Only one product, because I've had one product that sold over 7,000 times. In fact, I had one product that sold 1,217 times in one day on Amazon. So I can say you're one product away. So with the Amazon PPC or Amazon Pay Per Click, you can run it via automatic, or you could say, hey, I just want to target blue pencil. I know that I have the best blue pencil, and so you can set blue pencil as your manual target on Amazon when running Amazon Pay Per Click. Another way that you can promote your ad or promote your product, because your goal in this stage is to get as many eyeballs as you can on this pencil, on this product, on your product. That's your whole goal in this stage in the fourth P. Get your product in front of as many eyeballs as you can. So maybe you can have an email list. You can start an email list, and that means that you are collecting emails of anyone that may be interested in pencils. So for example, you may target elementary school children because they use pencils, correct? You may target artists because artists use pencils. Anyone that you can think of that uses pencils, you can target them and ask them if they'd like to join your email list. Maybe you can start writing a newsletter about pencils. And I'm using pencil here as an example, but I'm saying about your product, whatever your product is that you chose for your private label product that you're going to put your brand name on. There are several different, well, there's many different email lists, autoresponders that you can use. I personally use Aweber, but you can also use GetResponse, and this is where you can set up automatic emails that get emailed out to your list daily, monthly, weekly, annually, semi-annually, however often you set that up. And then you can also send the people on your email list a coupon code so that they can purchase your product on Amazon. A really popular way to get more eyeballs on your product is Facebook ads. Now, I personally love Facebook ads. I highly recommend that whatever product that you get, you want to make sure that it's a product that you can advertise on Facebook. That's like my #1 criteria, because Facebook ads are powerful to get many eyeballs on your product. So you want it, like for example, you don't want to private label a knife because you will not be able to advertise a knife on Facebook ads. So when you're starting to think about private labeling your own product, think about scrolling through your own personal Facebook feed, and what would stop you in your tracks and say, whoa, what is that product? That's the kind of product that you want to have for your private label product. Something that's going to stop you and say, whoa, I'd like to private label that kind of product. And then make sure that you do that product research, and because you're not selling that product, you're selling the keywords. And that's the main takeaway that I want you to take away from this 4P mini process. Is you're not selling products, you're selling keywords. So with your Facebook ads, you can do the product giveaways and influencers. Influencers are magnetic. They have like magnetic influence. So maybe you have a famous artist that loves your pencil and no other pencil, and I would highly recommend that you connect with influencers that are in your niche for your product so that they can help you get your product ranked on the first page of Amazon. It's not a requirement. You do not need an influencer. In fact, I have all of my products except one that have not used an influencer, and I've had one that did use an influencer, and they're all doing very, very well. So I'm not saying that you don't need it. It's just an alternative that you can use. So thank you so much for sticking with me through the 4P marketing mix. We talked about the right product, the right place, the right price, and the right promotion. So if you're interested in learning more about how to private label your own product, I want to invite you to join me live on a live webinar. It's a private label webinar. You can visit privatelabelcourse.com, and I will show you the exact 4P process and go into more in-depth training on each P. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you on the live webinar. Bye.